It began with belief, one visionary, one innovator, and one dream. From a small repair shop to a name the world trusts, this journey was built on courage, grit, and purpose. Through challenges, failures, and quiet triumphs, they found their calling to protect every digital life they touched. 30 years on, we look back not just at what we built, but at the spirit that made Quick Heal what it is today. Our story began in 1995 with CAT Computers, a humble start that laid the foundation for 3 decades of cybersecurity excellence. In 2002, we earned the VB100 certification, a global badge of trust, putting India's cybersecurity on the world map.
आपके पीसी में कौन रहता है, वायरस या क्विक हील?
With this iconic campaign, we made cybersecurity a household conversation and radio history. In 2008, we brought the world and hosted India's first international cybersecurity conference, AVAR, uniting global experts under one roof. When Sequoia Capital partnered with us, it wasn't just funding. It was faith in our vision to secure the world, one device at a time. Through Quick Heal Foundation, we've empowered over 68 lakh people across India, because true protection begins with education. From securing homes to safeguarding enterprises, Seqrite was born, bringing strength, simplicity, and scale to business cybersecurity. A proud moment when Quick Heal became India's first publicly listed cybersecurity company on NSE and BSE. Technology protects, but people empower. Our Quick Heal Academy was launched to train and nurture India's next generation of cyber defenders in 2016. Seqrite Labs is India's largest malware analysis lab, where millions of threats are decoded daily, powering protection across the globe. Ahead of the curve, we built GoDeep.ai, our patented technology that learns, predicts, and protects in real time. Through our Arogya Yan initiative, we took healthcare to rural India, bringing medical care to communities in need. Arogya Mansampada helped 11,500 students post-pandemic, healing anxiety, rebuilding hope, and nurturing emotional well-being. As the world shifted to remote work, Seqrite Zero Trust redefined enterprise security, proving that in today's world, trust must always be earned. Smaller, greener, smarter. Version 23 marked a leap toward eco-friendly innovation, where we went CD-less with 38% smaller packaging with 100% reusable materials. Before fraud happens, we're already there, studying scams and innovating protection in our fraud prevention lab. We became the world's first to detect and clean Expiro in 2023, proving India's cybersecurity leadership globally. Quick Heal joined hands with the US government's NIST-NCCOE data classification project, proudly representing India on the world stage. With over 35,000 partners, our ecosystem thrives on transparency, trust, and shared growth. Your data, your right, our responsibility. With the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, Seqrite Data Privacy ensures that your data stays yours, always. In 2024, we became India's first cybersecurity firm to join the U.S. Artificial Intelligence Safety Institute Consortium for advancing responsible and ethical AI for the world. We launched Antifraud.ai in 2024. Our aim was simple: to protect millions from scams, phishing, and digital deception. Our Pune headquarters now have its own experience center, where we innovate to simplify security for you. Our culture book reflects who we are, grounded in values, driven by purpose, and united by a shared mission to protect. Some joined for a project, others stayed for a purpose. 20% of our interns chose to grow with us, the leaders of tomorrow, built here. Our nationwide campaign turned awareness into action, reminding every Indian that fraud prevention begins with you. Awarded Product of the Year, Quick Heal earned international acclaim for its unmatched speed, safety, and reliability. SIA brings AI-driven intelligence to enterprises, helping them detect, understand, and respond to threats faster than ever before. When cyber threats targeted the nation, Seqrite stood on the front lines. Operation Sindoor proved once again, for us, security is service to the nation. From Antivirus to a global leader in cybersecurity, this is our journey, our purpose, our pride. 30 years, 30 jewels, one legacy. Quick Heal, the journey has just begun.